Guys, and welcome back to this how-to video. Today we are going to go to the three lakes. Yeah, we're going back to the three lakes, and the first lake we're going to is Lake Equity, and here we will be able to find the TM Blizzard, which is a great move. Let's just see. I'm pretty sure we have to go down here. We've been here before, and yes, here is Lake Equity. We're going to surf. Yes, surf. Okay. This is only possible after you have beaten or seen Palkia and Dialga. If you haven't, then you won't be able to see them. This is also where you see one of the psychic Pokemon. I forgot what it is. What it is, but something like that. So there's Blizzard. Great. It's a great move, but the accuracy is pretty low. That's the only, bad thing about it. Now we're going to fly to Twin Leaf Town. And Twin Leaf Town is if I'm correct, Lake Verarity. I always am not able to pronounce that for some reason. Okay, let's use our next Super Repel, and it's supposed to be in the tall grass somewhere around here. Again, you will find another Pokemon in the cave. It's one of the psychic Pokemon. And you also have to see Dialga or Palkia to be able to find this TM. Okay, so now, now for the last one, we are going over to Lake Valor. There we will be able to find the move Thunder. Okay, so these three moves are all very, very powerful, but the accuracy is only 70. Well, that's for Thunder. For Fire Blast, it's 85, which is a bit higher. And the other one, I forgot what it is. The other one, which is Blizzard, I'm pretty sure it's also 70. But the good thing about Thunder is when you have Rain Dance, when it's raining, then it has 100% chance of hitting, ignoring all the, evasiveness, blah, blah, blah. So if you had a Rain Dance, some Pokemon could do Rain Dance, that would be pretty useful. And, it seems like, what is it called? Team Galactic? They sort of like cleared out the Magikarp blah kind of stuff. Now it's all filled with water. And this is the last one. This is Thunder. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys can put these TMs into good use. Teach them to your good Pokemon for the Elite Four. Thank you guys, and goodbye.